Aloha, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of swaying palms, pristine beaches, and vibrant culture, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 3 must-visit places in the tropical paradise of Hawaii. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our travel adventures. Now, let's embark on a virtual journey to discover the wonders of Hawaii. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is the enchanting island of Maui. Known as the Valley Isle, Maui offers a perfect blend of lush landscapes, volcanic craters, and stunning beaches. One highlight you can't miss is the Road to Hana, a winding coastal highway that takes you through lush rainforests, waterfalls, and breathtaking vistas. For a taste of adventure, Haleakala National Park boasts the awe-inspiring Haleakala Crater, where you can witness a sunrise that feels like you're on top of the world. Maui truly captures the essence of Hawaiian beauty and is a must-visit for any traveler. Moving on to our number 2 pick, we have the vibrant and culturally rich island of Oahu. Honolulu, the capital of Hawaii, is located on Oahu and offers a mix of urban excitement and natural wonders. Waikiki Beach is a world-famous destination for its golden sands and iconic Diamond Head backdrop. Make sure to explore the historic Pearl Harbor and pay your respects at the USS Arizona Memorial. For those seeking a more local experience, venture into the North Shore, known for its legendary surf breaks and laid-back atmosphere. Oahu, with its diverse attractions, is a captivating destination that has something for everyone. Claiming the top spot on our list is the Big Island of Hawaii. This island is a true paradise for nature lovers and thrill seekers alike. With its diverse microclimates, you can witness everything from lush rainforests to volcanic landscapes. The Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is a must-visit, allowing you to witness the power of an active volcano and explore unique lava formations. If you're into stargazing, Mauna Kea's summit is one of the best spots on Earth, thanks to its clear skies and minimal light pollution. And there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best places to visit in Hawaii. Whether you choose the adventurous landscapes of the Big Island, the cultural allure of Oahu, or the enchanting beauty of Maui, Hawaii promises an experience like no other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Mahalo for joining us on this virtual journey, and until next time, happy travels.